Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Vummisetti. Today we'll see one of the DBT intro question, that is how to store DBT test results in Snowflake. So while executing any DBT test, I want to store the result in my Snowflake data platform. Okay, we'll see the same thing in detail. One second. See, I'm creating one customer table. Okay, and I'm inserting customer details. So this is the Snowflake platform. See the data, select start from customer. If you see, there are five records are there. Out of five records, this is a customer ID, customer name, policy number, policy type, premium amount. So now what happened? Now I want to extract this policy number who are not having any policy number. So how we are trying to write, we should go for where policy number is null. Okay, so this is the functionality. The same thing now in DBT, I want to test this functionality. Let me go to DBT. Okay, so open one more session. Okay, or let me go to the test folder. Okay, so create one file in which folder test folder give policy test.sql. Okay, policy test SQL. So control it. So now what happened? Requirement is that what I want to check in the customer table. Okay, policy number is available or not. Those are not having. I need to give this information. Now see what happened. Let me save it. This is a singular test. So outrun dbt test -n and the test name. So policy test. So see requirements that what I want check in my customer table policy details there or not. If it is there, so if it is not there, I want to raise the test cases. See what happened. It is executing. So test to fail. Why? Because if you see here what happened. So see the policy details, policy test. Okay. So see one of one, two policy test has been failed. If you see here what happened. So there are totally five records are there. Out of this, two records are failed. If you're not able to understand, let me insert 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, control enter. Now we need to get what? See, four records should get. Okay, see, so four records. Let me rerun the test. How to run? So dbt test -m and the policy test. Okay, now we should get, so see, as of now, what you're getting, so two of failed. See, if you see here what happened, so one of one, two policy test. Now you'll get four. If you see here what happened, so see, there are four entries are there. So this is in DBT, but requirement is that what I want to store these test cases or these results in my Snowflake data platform. One more time. So requirement is that what I want to store these results in the Snowflake data platform. So how to create, how to store, let me use, okay. So config block. So what I want to do, so as of now, results are not stored. Now we need to store the result. How to store? We should give one parameter, store failures, okay, equal to true. So save it. When I put like this, what happened in the config block? If I mention store failures equal to true, what happened? Save it and rerun it. Okay, so how to run? So dbt test -m for policy test. Now see what happened. So executed successfully. Now see what happened. So see, go to here. Always see the logs. So those are new. Always see the logs. Okay, see, go to details. So there will be one table. So create or replace transient table. This is my database name. This is my schema name, and object has been created. Okay. Now see what happened. Let me copy. Now we should get four entries. Let me go to Snowflake and confirm. See, select start from the table. So my results are stored. So there are four entries are there. We are getting this 4 entries. Suppose like one more time, if you're not able to understand, let me add one more. Okay. So 3, 4, 5, control enter. Now how many cards we get? We'll get 6 cards should get. Now rerun the same thing. So simple thing. Okay. So second time I'm trying to repeat. So dbt test hyphen m. So policy test. Now what happened? Now we should capture 6 entries. Like this only we can able to see if we go here, if we see here what happened, there will be 6. So 6 fail. Okay, one of one fail, 6 policy test. Okay. Now go to Snowflake platform and try to query the same thing. Now we should get 6 entries should be available. Like this way, we can able to capture the DBT test results into Snowflake data platform. So one table created, the results are stored. This is the functional, not a pointer. This is the way we can able to capture your DBT test results into Snowflake table. Okay. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.